Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pinia vlog ka lagi guitar hero, guitar solo competitions, like poor man kitchen on sedoji. Duna na to.
But I really want to hear from you guys. You know him? We do, right? He is also one of the very talented guitarists from the band Lords of Rocks. So please give it up for Toshio Jamir. And I would like to also invite on our stage the man of the house, Mr. Risim Rongpi, who is the frontman of our very ambush. Kindly welcome our judge of tonight with our very own traditional poho. Welcome. Thank you so much. You will be judged based on your composition, your skills, and your performance. Thank you. I got a few questions popping up in my mind. Since when did you start, playing?
When I was at class 9.
When you were in class 9. I probably know what a guitar is when I was in class 9. Give it up for Mr. For the Literang, my own brother. Oh, maybe he's a Terang, that is why I could, pinpoint him. Okay, so welcome. And Mr. Fernandez, join me up, please.
What is your favorite band?
I've got many favorite bands. I can't
Can you mention one band? Can you mention only one?
You can mention a genre. Depends on the genre.
Yeah. What is your genre?
Let's say Megadeth.
Megadeth. Are you looking forward to form your own band or?
Yes, I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
Yes,
Best of
I'll
luck.
see for that.
Thank you.
out there. I would like to call him up. He is also one of the where I like him personally. Why? Because I don't see any other traditional guitar player, right? Our very own folk instrument. Do we have? Very rare, right? So can I please welcome Mr. Tom Timong? He plays our folk instrument known as Kum Lieng. Very proud. Thank you so much for coming down here. Would you like to say a few words?
In this new generation, there are very real youths who keep alive their folk instruments. So, I tried my best to preserve our folk instruments.
Andriel scored 27 points, which makes him the winner! And he has won the title of Guitar Hero! Let's hear it for him! He secured a full 10 points on composition and 9 points on skills, and performance-wise 8 points. So in total he secured 27 points.